Hello students in our grammar class till now we have done pronoun, verb. So today we are going to do nouns and its kinds. As you all know, nouns are the naming words. They name animals, persons, things, places, actions, qualities and feelings. This is a very common lesson or topic of our English grammar which everybody knows. Let's start. Names of persons. Like noun are names of persons, places, animals, things, qualities, actions and feelings. For example, my grandmother is a tall lady. In this, grandmother is noun. Father's name is Karan Malhotra. Postman. These all are names of person. My grandmother is a tall lady. मेरी दादी माँ एक लंबी औरत है. My father's name is Karan Malhotra. In this, Karan Malhotra is the name of a person. The postman is a useful person. Postman बहुत ही important आदमी है. Names of places like my house is by the riverside. Riverside is what? Name of a place. The bus stop is far away from the school. In this, bus stop and school are the names of places. Delhi is the capital of India. In this, Delhi and India are the names of places. Now, names of animals. Cow eats grass. In this, what is the name of an animal? Is there an animal name given? Yes. Answer is cow. Second one is the mongoose and the snake are enemies. In this sentence, mongoose and snake are names of animals. Spider spin webs. मकड़ी या मकड़ियाँ जाले बनाते हैं, तो spiders is a name of an insect. Insects came in the category of animals. Now, names of things. The glass is on the table. Glass is also a thing and table is also a thing. The books are in the shelf. Books and shelf are the names of things. There are 2 doors and 2 windows in the room. Doors, windows and room are the names of things. Next is names of quality. Honesty is the best policy. What is the quality? Honesty. Patience is a great quality. Patience is also a quality. Honesty, patience, hard work. These 3 are the qualities of human beings or animals also. Honesty is what you say ईमानदारी, patience सहन शक्ति, hard work is कठिन परिश्रम और कठोर मेहनत. Names of actions. They enjoyed the dance. Dance is an action. She is fond of Hindi songs. Hindi songs is also an action. They ran a race. Race is also an action. Next is names of feeling. The boys are happy. Happy is a type of feelings. She tries to control her anger. Anger, गुस्सा. They exclaimed in wonder. उन्होंने मतलब हैरानी से. Wonder काल्पनिक तौर पे देखा. Underline all nouns in the following sentences. It is a very easy exercise. In this exercise, from 1 to 15, you have to underline only what are nouns in the sentence. Like in first sentence, Lata has won a trophy. Lata. Dogs have curved tails. Dogs. Anamika was an obedient daughter. Anamika. Sagar was born in Chandigarh. Sagar was born in Chandigarh. Daughter is also a noun, common noun. Sagar, Chandigarh, bread, flour, medicine, bottle, boat, river, brother, oxen, carts. Carts is a thing. Partridge, cage, building, school, cousin, quadrupeds and birds, turtles. These all are nouns. Next is you have to fill up a blank. You have to fill all these blanks with a suitable noun. Write with a pen or pencil. pencil. Next is my brother or mother or sister or friend. You can write any name. My brother is seriously ill. Arun and Chetan are friends. Arun and Chetan are friends. The dogs chase the cat or horse. You can write any animal name. The name of our motherland is India. Dash grow wheat for us farmers. There is no child in the playground. Okay. Mumbai is the largest city in India. You can write any name. There is a very interesting story. I am unwell. Send for the doctor at once. Okay. From 6th to 10th you have to do as your homework. Now kinds of nouns and their uses. First one is common noun. These are names of common things, places, persons. All common nouns have plural forms. ये सारे जो कॉमन नाउन है वो कॉमन थिंग्स यानी कि जो समान वस्तुएं हैं, सामान्य वस्तुएं हैं, उनके लिए इनका यूज़ किया जाता है. ट्रेन्स फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल ये हमेशा प्लूरल्स में यूज़ होते हैं. एस और ई एस, वर्ड्स हैविंग एस एंड ई एस. Trains were running late due to bad weather. In this, trains are common noun. Schools will remain closed on Diwali. Schools. They have visited many hill stations. Hill stations is noun, common noun. Next is proper noun. They are names of particular persons, places or things. Proper nouns do not have a plural form. Proper noun are the names of particular. किसी विशेष आदमी, वस्तु या जगह के नाम होते हैं. They do not have plural forms. Like the Chennai Express. I go to the Ma school. She visited Mussoorie. These three are names of particular places, persons or things. So they are proper noun. Next is material noun. They are the names of materials used for making different things. Material nouns are like things. They are names of materials we use for making different things. अलग अलग चीज़ें बनाने के लिए हम जिनका यूज़ करते हैं वो material things are used as material nouns. Like roti, wheat, chain, gold, iron rod. These all are material nouns. These all are material noun. Collective nouns. Collective nouns are the words that name a group or collection of persons, animals or things as a complete whole. Collective nouns, as the name suggests, they are collection of persons or group of people or animals or things as a complete whole. पूरे ग्रुप में संपूर्ण तरीके से. He was tending his flock of sheep. Flock of sheep is a group of birds or group of animals. The dog has a litter of 6 pups. Litter of 6 pups, flock of sheep. These are collective nouns. Next is abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are, as you all know, that they cannot be seen, they just can be felt. These things can be just feelings or state of mind or actions which can be seen, not which can be felt. Qualities. Their friendship dates back to 10 years. Friendship, childhood. Friendship and childhood are abstract nouns. Next is your exercise. Underline each noun in the following sentence. Mention its kind too. In this sentence we have, firstly we have to underline noun and then we have to mention what type of noun is that. Tom. Tom is a common noun. Tom is a common noun. No, Tom is proper noun. Tom is a name of a person. Tom is a name of person. Sorry. Tom is proper noun. How are houses useful to us? Houses are common noun. A pack of wolves is roaming in the forest. Collective noun. Collective noun. Chairs are made of wooden cane. These are material nouns. The Ganga is the largest river in India. Proper noun, as they are giving a name to particular place. Next is the roof of this house is made of slate. Roof and slate are material noun. From 7 to 12 you have to do as your homework. A bitch bore a litter of 6 pups is collective noun. The fireman put out the fire in no time. Fireman is common noun. Fireman is common noun. My motherland is the best for all. It is also a common noun. The plane is bound for Mumbai. Mumbai is proper noun. Laborer, common. Grand building has 2 bedroom. Common noun. Fill up each blank with a suitable noun. Ab you have to fill all these 15 blanks. Some I have done for you and rest you will do as your homework. So let's start reading. The Taj Mahal, or you can write the name of any monument which was built by Shah Jahan of your choice. The Gita is sacred book of the Hindus, or you can write Mahabharata or any book which you like. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. We often lose our hope or temper. The doctor is very useful public servant. You can write any name, but that name should be noun. Our homes or houses shelter us from bad weather. Trees bring forth new leaves during spring. Our team played a match against them. Okay, so rest you will do as your homework, as you have to only just fill these blanks with suitable nouns only. Now have a quick summary of the topic noun. A noun is a naming word. We all know noun always gives name to words, persons, places or things. It can be the name of a person, thing, place, animal or feelings. There are 5 kinds of noun. 5 kinds: proper, common, abstract, material and abstract, material, common, proper. All common nouns have plural forms. सभी common nouns के plural forms होते हैं. All proper nouns do not have a plural form. सभी proper nouns के plural form नहीं होते हैं. Clear? So noun is a naming word. There are 5 kinds of noun: abstract, material, collective, proper, common. All common, सभी common noun के plural forms होते हैं, proper nouns के common form नहीं होते हैं. So I hope you enjoyed the class. For next time, let's get prepared for the next topic. Till that time, stay safe at home.